crushed corner on a desk? No problem. We can fix it. First, we cut a chunk out the middle so we can clamp the corner down. We stuff it with either tissue paper, sawdust, or small wood particles. We saturate the paper or sawdust with glue so it can harden, sand it, now fill the voids with wood putty. Shave off the wood putty, sand it down smooth, then fill any voids left with all-purpose putty. Sand that down, clean it, now we're ready to paint. Black paint, hit the corner with a clear coat sealer, and we're all done. Looks pretty good.